scientists? Are you ready to make science? Yes or no? No?
Yes.
No, you're not ready, Jimmy?
Yes.
Yes, I am ready to make science. Okay, so first, scientists, we are going to make our first experiment by the observation. What are we going to do? Observation, okay? You remember the scientific method? No? You don't remember the scientific method? No? Okay, so we're going to remember the scientific method. Ready? Here we go.
Scientific method, 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 scientific. First you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you found. Then you ask a simple question, something that you want to learn. Then you form a hypothesis to explain what you observe. Then you make a prediction about how it's gonna go to a test with a control and a variable. Then you analyze the data and draw a conclusion to the scientific method to avoid all confusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method. First you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you found. Then you ask a simple question, something that you want to learn. Then you form a hypothesis to explain what you observe. Then you make a prediction about how it's gonna go to a test with a control and a variable. Then you analyze the data and draw a conclusion to the scientific method to avoid all confusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Scientific method, 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 scientific method.
Okay, guys, so now we're going to start with the observation, okay? We're going to observe a balloon. You have a balloon? Okay, our first observation is going to be on my balloon. Okay, so we're going to expand it, expand it. Okay, don't broke it, okay? Expand it, make it flexible. Excellent, very good, Regis. Very good, Damian. Very good, Jime. Okay, now we're going to blow air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There I have my balloon. Again, one more time. Ready, Vladimir? 1, 2, 3. Try to do it by yourself. Come on, Damian. Come on, Regis. Extend it. Expand it with your hands. Make it more flexible, David. Like this. It's going to be easier if you expand it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here I have my balloon. Very good, Fernando. Very good, Milo. Perfect. Okay, here I have my balloon. Very good, Aura. One more time, Aura. 1, 2, 3. Ready, Thiago, with your balloon? Ready, Regis? 1, 2, 3. Again, come on. Did you eat breakfast? Did you have your breakfast? Did
Ni
you
lo
have
teníamos
water?
que amarrar.
Yes, Jimmy. Like this, like
Y
my
el
balloon.
otro. Y el otro.
The other balloon? No, one balloon, it's going to be float and the other one, no. Okay? Here I have my balloon. Very good, Alondra. Very good, Maximo. Okay, David has his balloon ready. Who else has his balloon ready? Again? Perfect. Excellent. Ready? Ready with your balloons? Again, Regis? 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Excellent. So now we have make exercise with our lungs. Okay? Here I have my balloon. I am only going to use one balloon, okay? Now, ready? We're going to test gravity. Have you ever heard about gravity? Yes or no? Have you heard that word? No? You have never talked about gravity? No, guys? Okay, so now, guys, we're going, let me just focus my camera. And we're going to stand up. Stand up. Okay, we're going to stand up with my balloon. And we're going to put it over my head. And on count of 3, we're going to let it fall. Okay, we're going to let it fall. 1, 2, 3. What happened with my balloon? It falls. One more time, ready? 1, 2, 3. Can it fly? Does it fly? Can it fly? Like a bird? No? Like the clouds, is it flying?
Solo puede volar un globo con un globo de gas.
Exactly, very good, Vladimir. Now, we're going to throw it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, with your hands. Up, up. Put it on the sky. Up, 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 up. Okay, what is happening with the balloon? Why is it not falling? Why is it falling and not staying in the air? Why? Why does it fall? Where is it going to fall? If I throw it up, Where is it going to land? ¿Dónde va a caer? Where is it going to land?
Las manos.
In your hands? And if you don't have hands, where is it going to fall?
In the floor.
On the floor, yes. Look at my balloon.
Yes,
It's on the floor. And you? Have you ever tried to fly? Have you ever fly? ¿Han intentado volar? Have you ever tried to fly? Yes? Okay.
Si lo inflas como un globo de kilo, como un globo gigante, si te puedes volar.
Yes, exactly, Mateo. Now try to fall. Mateo, try to fly. 1, 2, 3, fly. Where are you going to fall? Where are you going to land? ¿Dónde van a caer? Where are you going to land? In
El piso.
the floor. We're going to land on the floor. On the floor. And if I throw my stick, where is it going to land? If I throw it, where is it going to land? Look. Where is it? On the?
Está en el suelo.
On the floor. Yes, everything falls down on the floor. Your table, where is your table standing? Where does your table is standing? Where does it land?
On the floor, pero en Minecraft, las cosas, si rompes un bloque abajo, no se caen.
Why, Milo? Why does it happen that?
No sé, pero así inventaron el juego de Minecraft.
Because they are playing with
My
Yes, Jimena?
my table is Julie. In the floor.
In the floor. Yes, your table is on the floor. Very good, Jimmy. And do you know who can fly? Where is no gravity? There is something called gravity that will attach us to fall into the floor. What is it called? Gravity. What?
Gravity.
Exactly. Here, look, I am going to write it big, 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 big here. Gravity. Now we're going to read it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Gravity. Gravity. Okay. Very good, guys. So now, scientists, I am going to show you an explanations about gravity. Ready? Open your ears. Open, 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 open. Big, big, big ears, scientist. Open your eyes, scientist. Tiago, open your eyes. Scientist David, open your eyes. Ready? And now we have to be quiet, okay? Here we go. I am going to show you something about gravity. Here we go.
When you ride your bicycle down the street,
Be sure to keep your head above your seat.
Can you do that?
We've got a friend called gravity. Gravity, oh gravity.
Holy.
If you're eating your Wheaties as you orbit the moon, you might see the dish float away with the spoon. So use both hands and hold on tight, or they might float away into the night without gravity. There's no gravity, no gravity, gravity. When you drop a banana and it hits the floor, or raindrops fall when it starts to pour, this is a sign of gravity. That's why your foot's below your knee. Let's give it up for gravity. Gravity, oh gravity. An invisible force that holds your boots to the ground. It keeps us on course and makes the planet spin round. Down here on Earth, it's quite commonplace, but up in outer space, there's no gravity. There's no gravity. No gravity. No gravity. Where's gravity? There's no gravity. There's no gravity. There's no gravity. No gravity. No gravity.
Okay, so what is going to happen to this apple? Can you see the apple? And if the root breaks, what is it going to happen with the apple? Where is it going to land? What is going to happen to the apple? It is going
Down.
to fall. It is going to fall down.
Teacher, ya sé, es un olla letter.
What is the letter, David?
Gravity.
Gravity is the word, because if this apple falls, it is going to land into the, where is it going to land?
Sky.
Into the
Como los globos.
floor. Like the balloons. Very good, Regina. Yes, like the balloons.
Porque mira, mis baja. Y si no la llamamos, sube. Entonces el viaje sería más largo a Vía Terranumes, porque un día fui a Caps.
Exactly. And if we were in the universe,
Como los aviones.
what will happen if we were in the universe? ¿Qué creen que pase si estuviéramos en el universo? In the space. Next to the moon.
Nos moneríamos porque allí no hay respiración.
There
Y,
is
los
no
y si estuviéramos allí, los caeríamos porque estarían momentos. Pero con un casco espacial siempre ponemos descansado, pero si te caes, no.
Exactly. Very good, Regis. And now look what is going to happen if we were
Like that.
in the space like an astronaut, if we were in the space like an astronaut, we were floating around, estaríamos flotando, we were floating everywhere, and the balloon, and my lens, and my pencil case, it will be all over the place. There will not be any gravity. So today, guys, are you ready to make an experiment? Yes? Ready for the experiment? Or no? No? You're not ready? Raise your hand if you are ready for the experiment. Who is ready for the experiment? Me. I am ready. Okay, guys. So what are we going to use? We're going to use a plastic bag. Here I have my plastic bag.
Teacher.
We are going to use a small cup. Here I have my cup. Yes,
Teacher,
perfect.
¿crees que este vaso me sirva?
No, Vladi, but if you have a toy, a small toy, it will work.
No.
No, you don't have a cup? ¿No tienes un vasito de plástico chiquito? A small cup?
Creo que sí, solo que está un poco sucio. Es de mis...
Or a block? Un bloque.
this
A block.
cup?
Do you have a block?
Mira.
De esos no, pero voy a ver uno de plástico pequeño.
Perfect. Okay, guys. So we're going to make an observation of our cup. It has to be full? No, we're going to make an observation that it has nothing inside, nothing here, nothing. Okay? Yes? Make an observation. My cup is empty. Vacío. Empty. Okay, I have checked my cup, and my cup is empty and clean. Yes? Okay. Now I am going to make an observation of my plastic bag. Here I have my plastic bag. Okay? Here I have my plastic bag. Put your hands inside. It is clean. No holes, without holes. Here I have my plastic bag. Do you have your plastic bag, Fernando? You have a plastic bag? Okay, very good, Mateo. There we have a plastic bag. Okay, ready for the observation in our plastic bag? We're going to throw it into the air and we're going to see how does it falls down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let it fall. Did it fall fast or slow? ¿Cayó fast or slow? Did it fall fast?
No,
or slow?
aunque sí cae, parece un globo, pero cae lento, pero no. La bolsa cae lento porque parece un paracaídas.
Exactly, very good, scientist Mateo. Excellent prediction. Very good, Mateo. So now we're going to compare how does our plastic bag and the balloon falls. Ready? On count of 3, we're going to let the plastic bag and the balloon to fall down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Which one fall first? Which one is faster? Which one falls first?
¿Sabe, Miss?
Yes, Mateo?
¿Quién sabe porque el globo perdió y la bolsa ganó?
Really? With mine, the balloon is faster. No? One, two, three. Which one is faster, the balloon or the plastic bag?
De bolsa.
The plastic bag? Okay, so now we're going to try the next experiment. Ready? We're going to use our scissors. Here I have my scissors. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to cut our plastic bag, okay? We're going to cut our plastic bag from here to here and here. Okay, we're going to cut it. We're going to open our plastic bag. We're going to cut it. Cut, cut, cut. Cut your plastic bag. Ready, Damian? And now I am going to have two plastics. Okay, my plastic bag turned into two plastic. It was like this, and now it is open. Okay, cut your plastic bag. Cut it in two. You're going to have two plastics. Like this, one and two. Okay, ready with your two plastic bags? Perfect. Show me your plastic so I can see that you are ready. Ready, Julieta. Very good, Julieta. Julieta is ready. Who else is ready? Regis. Damian is ready. Vladimir is ready. Fernando is ready. Who else is ready with your plastic bag? Alondra is ready. Very good, David. Aura. Jime, are you ready, Jime? Perfect. Ready, Maximo? Ready. Ready, Mateo? Tiago is ready. Leo, are you ready, Leo? Okay, ready, Cons? Okay, very good. So now pay attention to the next step, okay? We are going, okay, with a marker or with a pen or with a pencil, we're going to draw 4 little points, okay? Where? Here, look. I am going to draw 1. No, this marker is not working. Okay, I am going to draw 1 here, 2 in the other side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, you have your 4 dots. 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good, Maximo. Very good, Raúl. 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, David?
Ya lo hice, Miss.
Perfect. Very good, Regis. Okay, very good, Aura. Excellent. There you go.
Una pregunta, Miss. ¿Necesitamos hacerlo en el siguiente?
No, only in one bath. Okay, now we're going to do the same
Yes.
in our cup. What I am going to do in my cup? I am going to draw 4 dots. 1 here, here. 2 in the other side.
Okay.
1,
Van a ser también 4 igual que
bolitas?
3,
uno. A ver, déjate decirnos unos. A ver si
No,
son
al revés, Miss.
1, 2, 3. Por aquí es el siguiente.
Miss,
Ahorita de esa flor.
yes, Aura.
¿qué vamos a hacer?
We're going to draw 4 dots, Aura.
Espérame.
Okay, let me close that microphone. Okay, Aura, can you see me, Aura? Okay, we're going to draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it has to be like this. 3 and 4, okay? Try to have them coordinate. 1 and 2. 3 and 4.
Miss, ¿qué es lo que teníamos que hacer?
We're going to draw 4 little dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes.
Yes? Ready? You have marked your bath and your cup. Now, with a pen, carefully with the pen, we're going to use a pen like mine. Here I have my pen. With the pen, we're going to perform the little dots, okay? In the bath and in the cup, like this. Okay, you see, there is my pen. I am going to perform my cup. 1, carefully, okay? 2,
Vamos a romper los hoyos.
yes. If you're using a plastic glass, you can use scissors, okay?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Where is number 4? 4. Okay, and I am going to do the same with my plastic bag. Okay, the same. One. Two. Three. One, two, three, four.
El espacio de los puntos puede ser en donde sea.
Which one? These ones or these ones?
En la plastic bag.
In the plastic bag, they're going to be here. Look, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. In the corner, okay? They have to be in each corner. In the corner, en las esquinas. In the corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ready? Here I have my perform glass with my 4 little dots. And here I have my perfored plastic bag. Very good, Damian. Very good, David. Very good, Bloody. You look very concentrated, scientist.
It's not one.
What, Aura?
Ahora que ver lo siguiente, Miss.
Wait, we're waiting for the other ones. Ready, Maximo?
Ready.
Aura is ready. Very good, Aura. Who else is ready? Ready, Alondra? Alondra is ready. Ready. Jime, ready, Jime? Okay, show me your thumbs up if you're ready. Thumbs up if you're ready. Perfect, Jime. Perfect, Julieta. Ready, ready? Perfect, Damian is ready. Ready, Fer? Fernando. Perfect, ready. Fernando is ready. Okay, here we go. Ready, ready? Ready, Raúl? Ready, David? Okay, so for the next step, we're going to use thread. Okay, if you have thread or if you have another kind of ribbon, strip, or thread. Un hilo, estambre, o listón. What do you have? Perfect. If you're going to use a ribbon, perfect, Damian. That one is perfect. Okay, very good, Regina. We're going to cut, okay, a long part. And we're going to fold it into four parts, like 10 centimeters, okay, each one. And we're going to cut them like this. Here I have 1.
Hay que hacer con el listón o algo. Así
qué
que
medida?
dijo.
What, Milo?
¿De qué me?
Two. With thread or a ribbon? With a very thin ribbon.
Perdón, Miss, ¿de cuántos centímetros hago los listones?
10 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. And 4.
¿De qué medida los listones, Miss?
10 centimeters.
¿Cuánto?
10.
10 centímetros cada listón.
Yes.
10 centímetros.
Very good, Julieta. Thank you. Okay, here I have my 4 threads. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make an experiment with gravity. Okay, now that I have them ready, I am going to attach them, okay, on my cup and in my plastic bag. Okay, we have to tie it up. Okay, on each little hole, I am going to tie my thread. Okay, we're doing work with our hands. Let's see how those fingers work. Okay, we're going to tie it. There I have 1. Two. 3. 4. Okay, here I have my ribbons. You see? Where are they looking at? Up or down? They are always down. Down. Okay, now I am going to tie them into my plastic bag. Okay, each thread in one corner, okay? Yes, Jiménez? Yes, Maximo? Yes, Fer? Are you tying? Yes, Mateo? Okay. Yes, David? Very good, Regis. Regine is very concentrated. Raúl, very good, Raúl.
Yo saqué súper rápido. Yo ya saqué los puntos. Súper fácil porque tengo algo que parece una engapadola, pero que no es engapadola. Es esto. Antes no lo sabía usar, pero ya lo sé usar yo solo.
¿Cómo se llama?
Very good, Mateo.
Perforadora.
Excellent, Mateo.
Te puede perforar los dedos.
Carefully. You have to be very careful. See, and now the next one, the last one.
Yes.
Yes, Aura.
Vamos a poner 2 o 4.
4. The 4 threads are going to be tied into my 4 corners, okay? That was your question, Aura? Yes or no, Aura?
Yes. Creo que no sé. ¿No sabes?
Look, here I have my 4 threads attached to my back. Where is it looking at? ¿Hacia dónde va? Up or down?
Up.
It's looking up. What is like this? Is it going to be up?
Down.
Down. Very good, Julieta. Perfect. Mateo is ready. Who else is ready? Fernando is ready. Okay. Ready. Perfect. Wait, Milo. Sit down, Milo. Sit down. Wait, Milo, wait. Okay. Ready, Damian? No?
En clase con la persona.
Yay, Constanza is ready. Tiago, are you ready, Tiago? Yes, with your plastic bag? Okay, perfect. Jime, ready, Jime? Ready, Regis? Okay, ready, Alondra? Ready, David?
La bolsa de plástico.
What, David?
Que cómo le metiste la bolsa en el vaso.
Oh, here is my bag. And here is my cup. It is tied. Look, my thread is tied from here to the next corner of my bag. Yes, very good, Alondra. Okay, ready, scientist? Here we go. We're going to test gravity. Very good, Regis. We're going to test gravity, okay? So we're going to stand up. Stand up. You're going to raise your hands. And we're going to let it fall. You're going to hold it from the back, like this, with my hands. And we're going to throw it up, okay? 1, 2, 3. Does it fly? Does it fly? Yes or no? Okay, one more time. Okay, if you go for a large distance, okay? I am going to take you outside, because outside we can get to see a large distance, okay? Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One. You have to straight it, okay? Que no se les enrede. 1, 2, 3. What does it look like, Mateo? Very good, Milo. What does it look like, Milo? Yes, like a parachute, okay? So now we're going to make a race. We're going to make a race. What is going to fall down first? The balloon or the parachute? 1, 2, 3. Which one fall first? The balloon or the parachute?
El globo.
The balloon. Very good, Jime. The balloon is going to be the fastest. The balloon is going to be faster than the parachute. You see? Okay, so now, guys, okay, just to see if our experiment was right about gravity, I am going to show you a fast video, and then we're going to say goodbye, okay? Ready? Open your ears. Open your ears. Open your eyes. And we're going to talk about physics, okay? Physics about gravity. Here we go.
Have you ever played under a parachute at school? You and your friends hold onto the edge, flip it up towards the sky, and then slip inside and watch it slowly float down on top of you. Or maybe you've seen a skydiver jump out of an airplane. After he jumps, he falls through the air, and then he opens up his parachute. The parachute slows the skydiver down, so he falls gently towards the ground and can make a safe landing. But have you ever thought about how parachutes work? Well, in the end, parachutes work because of air. That's right, the stuff that's all around us. We're breathing it right now. And air, like everything else you can feel or that takes up space, is made of matter. That's what scientists call just stuff. Everything is made of matter. The parachute, the air, the ocean, you, me, everything. And since air is made up of matter, when you walk through the air, you're actually pushing matter out of the way with every move you make. But here's the thing. That matter is pushing back on you, too. You probably don't feel it when you're just walking around, but when you start running, you might feel it a little bit. And when you start to go even faster, like when you're speeding around on your bike, whoa, that feeling is the air pushing against you. And this force has a name. It's called drag. Drag is the force of the air pushing back on you, or on anything when it moves. And the faster something is moving, the more drag it feels. So you don't really feel the force of the air as you walk around. But have you ever held your hand outside the window of a moving car? That's some serious drag. You can feel the air pushing against your hand, and it can be hard to even keep it still. But have you noticed that it's easier to hold your hand flat like this than it is to hold your hand so your thumb's pointing up? Like this? Why do you think that might be? It's because when you hold your hand straight up like this, more air is bumping into your hand. That means more drag. But when you put your hand flat like this, only a small part of your hand is pushing the air out of the way. There's less of your hand for the air to run up against, which means less drag. So your hand can glide through the air more smoothly. So what if you're a skydiver and you're jumping out of an airplane? How do you slow yourself down so you can land safely? You'd want to do something that would make more air bump into you. And that's how a parachute helps. It makes more space for the air to run into, so it creates more drag. There's so much drag on the parachute, so much air pushing against it, that it slows down your fall, so you can land safely. Now, a lot of other things experience drag too. When a boat moves through the ocean, the water that pushes back against it.
Tampoco.
Okay, let me share it again.
Mira ahora, otra vez la va a poner. Mira, se traba. Mira que se traba.
And that's how a parachute helps. It makes more space for the air to run into, so it creates more drag. There's so much drag on the parachute.
You cannot see it? Okay, so I am going to send you the video and you can see it later.
So much air pushing against it.
Regis, can you see it, Regis?
Nosotros sí vemos, mi.
Yo también veo y escucho.
Let me just change. Can you see, Vladimir?
Oh, yo veía y escuchaba.
Okay.
That it slows down.
Now, Jime, can you see it, Jime?
Me no.
No, Fer? Yes? Okay.
Your fall, so you can land safely. Now, a lot of other things experience drag too. When a boat moves through the ocean, the water that pushes back against it is also making drag. And cars and trucks experience drag when they're driving down a highway. A little car feels less drag than a big truck because it has less space for the air to push against it. So drag is the force that you feel when you're moving through something, like the air, and that something pushes back. It may slow you down, but it's what makes lots of things from skydiving to playtime with parachutes possible. Thanks for joining us on SciShow Kids. Do you have a question about parachutes?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to put the link into the chat, okay, Jime? So you can watch it again later. Okay, guys, so now you know that gravity is the force that makes us fall down like the balloon and our parachute. And also, you know that the air is going to help us to fall slow. Okay, so I am going to tell you something cool about this experiment. You can change your cup with a little toy, okay? And you can try it later to see if it works from a window or from your balcony, okay? Después van a poder ponerle un muñeco, van a poder cambiar su vaso, su cup, por un muñeco chiquito, chiquito, no muy grande, chiquito. Y van a poder ver si funciona igual su parachute, okay? You can see it from the window or from your balcony to see if it works better, okay? If you have a larger distance from the floor, it will be better. Okay, so now guys, it's time to say goodbye. And I will see you on Monday, okay? Remember that we're going to celebrate Mom. Here we go, ready? Icon.
No puede ser posible. No.
goodbye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye.